Welcome to this tutorial about removing logos in Altair SimLab. In this tutorial, you will see how to quickly remove logos from meshed bodies. First, a SimLab file will be opened. In the Home section of the ribbons, choose the folder icon for Open from the Files tool. Browse through the files and open the file named as seen on the screen. This file is also included with this tutorial. Next, the mesh controls will be reviewed. In the model browser, isolate the CAD body piston. In the mesh control browser, double-click on the Preserve Entities mesh control to review it. It is recommended to mesh the CAD body containing the logo using the Preserve Entities mesh control to avoid the edges collapsing together with other geometry edges. Close the mesh control and go back to the model browser to isolate the piston mesh body. Finally, the logo will be removed from this meshed body. Go to the Geometry ribbon, then the Body section. Choose Feature, and then the Details tool. Make sure your input is Mesh, and choose the Adjacent Faces method. Select the face that contains the logo. For the option Not Shared with Details, select an edge on the adjacent face. Select Local Remesh and use a mesh size of 6. Click Show, and SimLab will show you the faces that will be removed. Click Remove. As you can see, the logo has now been removed from the meshed body. This completes the tutorial. Thank you for viewing.